Hello everyone, I'm Akhilesh Kumar Arvind, PGT English, Kevitanga Valley. I hope you all will be fine and learning new skills staying at home. In this audio class, we are going to deal with article in writing section. Before going through the topic, I want to tell you in writing section, this article writing, it carries 10 marks. That's why listen carefully. Okay, first of all, definition of article. An article is a written composition about a particular topic or subject, which is usually published in a magazine, journal, or newspaper. It describes the author's personal opinions or findings or research. This is simple definition of an article in writing section, as you did in your previous classes. This is the same. Okay, it carries 10 marks. That's why be careful in dealing with article writing. This is the format of article writing, and we all know if we write the format in a proper manner, then we get 1 mark at least. That's why see the title carefully. When we write article, that time we write the name of topic. What is topic? We write first, that is the title, and then byline. Byline means here the name of writer, who is, what name has been given in that question. Write the name here by that person, as you did in your previous classes. And then content, divided into introduction, body of article, and conclusion. It's clear. This is a simple format of article: title, byline, and then content. This is the main. When we write title in a proper way, whatever has been given in that question, and the name of the writer who will write that article, or the name, you will get 1 mark. And then write in this proper manner. It's clear. This is the format of article writing. It's very simple. This is marking scheme of article writing. See it carefully. As I have already told you, when we write in format, we get 1 mark. Here the same. After that, content 4 and expression 5. Total 10. Now, in content and expression, what we have to focus? See it clearly. When we introduce the topic in a proper way, as you did in your previous classes, you will get 2 marks. Content and expression 5 marks. Ending and conclusion 2 marks. It's clear. 2, 5, 7, 2, 9 and 1, that is format. It's clear. This is marking scheme, and word limit, that will be 150 to 200 words. Dear friends, how we should write the title? When we are going to write the title, we should to focus on these points. The title should be a feeling that should engage readers' attention, that should indicate the central theme of that topic. And it is very simple also, because mostly you will get the name of topic in your question. If not, so you have to focus on these points. These points will help you while writing the title of article. As in format, you found title and byline. Byline is here. We have to write byline carefully. What is here only? Writer's name. As I told you earlier, that should be just below the title, or just below, or the here in this corner, or you can write here in the last also. Okay, but write after the just below the title. It's clear? Dear friends, when we write introduction of the topic proper way, you will get 2 marks. That's why while writing the introduction of the topic, we should be careful. That should be brief, and description of the topic, that should be in brief, and that titles and topic should be clear, and introduction should be in a proper way, and that should indicate the status of the issue. It's clear, as you did in your previous classes. And if you write this introduction in a proper way, you will get 2 marks. After introduction of article, we have to focus the main content, that is body of article. Which points we have to keep in our mind? Here the points are here. Analysis of the topic in terms of how we should write about that topic. Consequences, causes, good, bad aspects of the topic, related information, implications, social, environmental, psychological, health related, whatever issues you want to correlate with that topic, we have to write these things. Keep these points in your mind. That's why, so that you can write a good article. After body of article, in the last, we have to write conclusion of the topic. So what we should write here, and we also know we get 2 marks on this. That's why be careful. In that conclusion, we should write suggestions, reminders, and in brief summary of article along with writer's suggestions. It's clear. That should be in brief. That should not be lengthy. When we want to write an article, that time we should think about these points. These points will help us. We should think about the topic and ideas associated with it, and our ideas should be in a collective manner, and we should organize the ideas in a logical order, and after that we should revise critically the points whatever we wrote in article. It's clear? Dear friends, these are some points which we should always keep in our mind while dealing with article. These are some points. Number one, keep it simple. Always try to keep your article in a simple manner. Underline the topmost points. Always keep a single thing in each para. Focus should always be on the topic. Don't get lost. Whatever the main topic, there should be our focus. Use small sentences so that there are least chances of grammatical mistakes. It's clear. Always use small sentences and don't make errors. Write under the word limit provided, 150 to 200 words. There should always be a flow in your article. Keep it very clean. These are some points which will help you while dealing with article writing. I hope you understood everything of this article writing. Now we have assignment which you have to write. This is topic. To have a fair complexion is an obsession in our society. The demand for fair rights in matrimonial columns and the sale of fairness creams are evidence enough. Write an article in 150 to 200 words giving your views on beautiful mind better than a fair complexion. You are Nirmal or Neetu. This is question which you have to write. It's clear? Thank you everyone. I hope it will help you. Dear friends, if any doubt, any confusion, please ask me. Once again, thank you everyone.